Wipe it down. Wipe it.
Hey guys, I'm Dara Colon, and today I'm going to show you how to survive a pandemic as a photographer. That's right, today we're going to be talking about safe social distancing for photography.
Today's episode is sponsored by DCO Branding. DCO is dedicated to designing, creating, and orchestrating a unique branding experience for their clients. You can learn more at www.thedcobrand.com, and don't forget to follow them on social media at the DCO Brand.
My first tip to anybody who's trying to continue shooting photography is to ensure that, number one, your method of payment is completely digital. That's right, it's 2020 and there are so many ways to get payment from your clients. You can use Cash App, you can use Venmo, you can use PayPal. I suggest any business owner has a PayPal account so that way you can track your invoices, and it's just a quick and convenient way to be able to receive payment from your clients. Again, cash is a way of being too close to your client. If you're going to receive a check or cash, somehow they got to put it in your hands, and quite frankly, that's just too close. You got to be 6 feet apart. So that being said, make sure, tip number one, that you have a digital means of collecting payment from clients. Tip number two, avoid studio photography at all costs. Right now, it's really not a good idea to have people over at the studio. I personally have been opting for outdoor photography. So that means I'm only doing sessions in parks and in open areas that I can remain 6 feet apart from my clients to keep everyone safe. So that's tip number two. Avoid studio photography. Try to shoot outdoors if you can. That way you have enough space to make sure that everyone is safe. If you do opt for studio photography, just make sure that you're spacing out your appointments between clients so that way clients don't run into each other, and make sure that after each session you are sanitizing your studio. Tip number three, I have to say, the most obvious thing in the video: stay 6 feet apart from each other. That's right. Make sure that you don't shake hands with your clients. You can air hug them, you can give them a fist bump 6 feet apart, but make sure you're not touching your clients. It's very hard, especially for someone like me. I like to hug people and I like to make sure that there's a piece of hair out of the way, but you really want to ensure that you keep your clients safe and yourself safe at all costs. So make sure you remain 6 feet apart. That's going to be key to making sure that you can still shoot safely outdoors. My fourth tip is going to be to digitally deliver your photos to your clients. That's right. Forget USBs, forget CDs, forget all of that right now. At the moment, you don't want to contaminate your clients. You don't want to have any cross-contamination of any kind. And again, you want to make sure that you remain 6 feet apart. So upload your photos to an online gallery. If you're not already doing so, this is an option that you really want to look into because, again, CD-ROMs and USBs are starting to get played out. It's just the new wave of the future. To do everything digitally is a lot easier for you and a lot better for the client. So again, to avoid being close proximity to each other, make sure that you digitally deliver those photos. I hope those tips help somebody out today. Again, make sure that you're staying safe, practice social distancing, follow all CDC recommendations. And again, if you have any other recommendations or things that we should do as photographers to keep ourselves and our clients safe, let it know below in the comment section, and please subscribe and like the channel. Bye guys.